Right, guys. So I want to walk you through how to change your email, your primary email on your PayPal account. Super easy process. Open your account, your personal account, and scroll down to account info. Here in the very top section, there is emails. Select see all. And here, add a new email. Now we're going to type in the email that we want to change. We will have to verify it. And if it is tied to another PayPal account, we won't be able to use it. So here it is. I can confirm with Google. I'm going to get a code instead. All right, so here's the code. I'm going to hit confirm. So here's the code. I'll hit confirm. So here's the code. I'll hit confirm. And there we go. We can see that Ponzi Tolman is now the primary. And I can select the email below, hit remove, and delete it from the account. So that's how you change the emails on PayPal. Hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.